Yo, what's up? Good morning! It's your boy, Mr. Yolax. So ngayon, samahan nyo muna ako sa aking trip. Kasi pupunta muna kami ni Calix, ang aking anak, sa SM. Kasi yung mama niya at yung lola niya is pamper day nila ngayon. At si Daddy Lo niya nag-drop ng mga paninda ni Ate Girl at ni Kuya Nico. So tara, samahan nyo muna kami. So ayun guys, magsusundo muna tayo dahil day off natin ngayon. Sunduin ko muna ang aking big boy Calix. Hindi ko muna ito pinapadala ng nanay niya. Anong oras na ba? 11:20 kasi ang uwian nun eh. So ngayon, pupunta na ako para makapaghanap pa ng parking. Kasi gagala muna kaming dalawa. Wala pa yung mama niya at saka yung lola niya. Antayin na lang namin siguro sa SM. So tara guys, samahan nyo muna ako. Susunduin ko muna ang aking big boy Calix. So ayan guys, alis na ako dahil anong oras na? 11. Nakalimutan ako. Ay, nakalimutan kong mag-sapatos. Ay, tumatanda na tayo. Oh, ang dami na ng mga aso dyan. Nakapagsapatos na ako. At tara, punta na tayo. Nandito na tayo sa school nila Calix. Anong oras na? 11:14 AM. 11:20 ang uwian niya, so antayin na lang natin, malapit na. Hey bro.
Hi. Daddy, why are you wearing like that?
We will go in SM. Hey bro.
When? When will we go to SM?
No. Because Mamila and Mommy, pamper day.
What is Pumper Day?
Your nails. Oh, go.
Hi guys.
Hi. Where will we go, Calix? Where do you want to go?
SM.
SM. What will we do in SM?
I mean, no. In Great Wall.
Great Wall? No. We go first in SM. We'll wait Mommy and Mamila. Yes?
Opo.
Because your Mommy and Mamila, it's their pamper day.
Tomorrow, me and Mamita will go to SM.
Oh. You will go?
Yeah.
Wait,
Hold it. Hold
No,
it,
Mina.
cause...
Are you ready?
Where will we go?
In
SM?
SM. Let's wait Mommy.
Like this na lang ako.
Yan. Where do you want to eat?
I will eat anywhere. Anywhere I want.
So that, makita niya tayo.
Like this na lang.
Go. So, ayun guys. Nandito na kami sa SM at nagre-request tong si Big Boy ng Sizzling. We will eat in Sizzling plate. Favorite food niya daw. Is that true? What floor?
I'll buy something hot. Let's go guys.
Or just walk?
Hello guys, we're going to Sizzling.
Naman? Showing mo siya. Dapat take that.
I have this one.
What?
I have this one.
Oo, no naman ko. So big na.
Bigger than you?
Yeah.
Come on.
Clicks. Pedan?
Daddy, can I have chicken, extra rice, and choco overload shake? That's all.
Isang breaded chicken, isang sisig, tapos dalawang extra rice, isang choco overload shake, isang bottle water.
If you get a soup like this, get a little blow like this. Then it's good na.
Mm. So, ayun guys, kain muna kami.
Daddy, my knife! Come on guys, let's eat. In the plate, you put ketchup, and in the plastic there, you put ketchup. Which one do I take? After we eat, we're gonna buy a charger for Mama.
Ayan, napagbigyan na natin si Calix ng favorite food niya ulit. After natin kumain, pumunta tayo sa taas, bibili ng charger ni Mamita.
After we buy charger, where will we go?
Let's wait Mami here and Mami lang. So, ayun guys, tapos na kaming kumain. Sunod na pupuntahan namin. Bibili
Daddy,
kami
Daddy.
ng what?
Thank you for treating me. I love you.
Welcome! Oh, sure, Tommy! You're full? Yeah. Sunod na pupuntahan namin is bibili muna kami ng charger ng laptop ni Mamita. Yes?
Yeah.
While waiting kay Mami and Mamila. Come on, let's go! Let's go, let's go.
Say hi. Say hi. Let's go in the guitar.
What? You tell me here what you want, let's buy. What chip?
Guitar?
Chipmunks?
No.
What?
Guitar.
Ay, guitar, non-chip guitar. I thought it's chipmunks. So ayun, nagre-request ulit siya na sasayaw daw siya ng siwa. Together with the
I'm bad, you know it. You know I'm bad, some more, you know.
What's that? What's beside the door? When are you born?
number daw.
No, not here.
1994 like money.
1994. No, not me. What's your born in 19?
Number?
No, that's better.
Ay, yung number. This. Ay, no.
I was just gonna say bye guys na.
Ay, did you call me?
Welcome.
Yeah.
Daddy, what are you doing to Daddy? Yan yung ano?
Yes. Let's go. Hey.
How many money you have? 1,000?
Yeah.
Sheesh!
So, ayun, wala pa si Mami at si Mamila. Bibigyan ko muna tong si Big Boy Calix.
Guys, we're going to Quantum. Another, please. Another.
tapos nang magkwentum ang big boy. At tumawag na rin si mami niya. Nandito na daw sila. Pupuntahan na namin at napakatagal. Anong oras na? What time na, Kalix?
I don't know.
Huh?
Kami yung mami ko. Oh, that's okay.
So ayan, nandito na rin sila after 7 hours. After 7 hours. Dito na rin sila. Ayan, ipapamper. So, kakain muna sila. After, punta kami na bibili ng Bounty. Ah, so pretty.
Gulat-gulat tayo. Ito si Mama.
Kain muna. Am.
Mommy, say hello. Mami lang. Mami lang. Mami lang.
So ayan, uwi na tayo, tapos na lahat ng mga agenda natin ngayon. At
Hello.
so uwi na kami ni Big Boy at si mami niya at si mami lang ay nandun lang sa labas. Salamat sa mga tropa na nakasalubong namin kanina dyan. Shoutout sa inyo mga tol. Let's go!